Hi mga Trusuki! Ako pala si Migs Bilan, International Sales and Operations Manager ng Santa Lucia.
Okay.
People nowadays, of course, because of this COVID-19 pandemic, tend to prefer properties in the provinces. Based on the inquiries that we have received, we encountered several inquiries for properties in provinces rather than in Metro Manila. Probably because they want to go out of Metro Manila. They want to go in places where less populated, and they can have actually own bigger lots or bigger properties. Because of this pandemic, we're always reminded of to observe social distancing or physical distancing. So people would tend to go to places wherein konti yung tao, 'di ba? To lessen din the chance of acquiring the virus, because we know that naman that when you're exposed to more populated places or areas, you have a bigger chance actually to get the COVID-19. One of the specific projects that I would say get the attention of most of our clients is our farm and residences project, or farm and residence concept type of a project, because what we're promoting here is sustainability. You can have your own backyard garden and probably have your own fresh vegetables right in the backyard, so you don't have to go out and buy these things in the market. So basically, those are some of the things, and I think this kind of concept and this kind of trend will continue while we are facing this pandemic. Certainly, there are a lot of changes that had happened in the real estate industry in particular. Of course, we recognize the fact that there are a lot of prospect clients or existing clients that have been affected financially. We do understand that it's quite hard now to get clients, no? To convince clients, I mean, to invest in properties, especially that there's some feeling of uncertainty at the moment. We don't know yet kung hanggang kailan to, although there are news that vaccines will be available by year end or probably by next year. But still, there are a lot of uncertainties as far as the COVID-19 pandemic is concerned. One of the common issues that we encounter is, of course, these buyers who weren't able to continue paying with their monthly amortizations, because some of them have unfortunately experienced salary deductions. Others are being placed in furlough, no work, no pay status at the moment. I understand the feeling of most clients or prospective clients that mahirap nga naman ngayon mag-decide, especially with what we're talking, are properties that are worth hundreds of thousands or sometimes millions. Malaking pera yon. But still, developers at Santa Lucia, actually, we're finding ways for our OFWs, our kababayans, who are still aspiring to own a property. We're finding ways actually to help them realize their dream of owning the property by way of making it affordable for them. What we're trying to do now is to offer special promos or offers to buyers, especially those who are still planning to own a property or buying a property. We give out special discounts, and we make our payment plans even more affordable, such that even if your salary is slashed by 25-30%, with the reduction of the monthly payments, that would still enable you to acquire a property at a very minimal monthly amortization or monthly payments. We offer also installment plans for these payments that weren't made for a couple of months, so that these buyers will not be able to, will not pay these arrears in lump sum, dahil mabigat yon. So what we did is we offer 6 months installments for those unpaid monthly amortizations. That's without interest.